Kembali pi baro ngapriang sampai pi syaka channel exam updates. Dia akan video tentang sing and solve syaka science kebalawan haka DSC East Khasirs District LDA kam TYPIST. Dia akan prolog tentang ini solve no yakan ka science ni ka series D kebalawan dia pila bancak kat kum series kibab hiyo ke exam ko chungpi. Dia ka question ke baspan rio kadai bamboo is classified as a grass, tree, shrub or herb. The correct answer kadai E, grass. Sispanyo, which of the following is an example of a physical change? The example ni kadai ka correct answer kadai boiling of water. Nang ta next, what causes a moving body to resist a change in the state of motion? The correct answer kadai C, inertia. What is the full form of AIDS? The correct answer kadai E, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Which gas makes up the largest percentage of the Earth's atmosphere? The correct answer kadai B, nitrogen. Beriberi is caused by deficiency of which vitamin? The correct answer kadai B, vitamin B. In case of rusting, the weight of iron will increase, decrease, remain same, uncertain. The correct answer kadai A, increase. The sky appears blue due to? Correct answer kadai A, scattering of light. The next kadai, the age of a tree is determined by its correct answer kadai C, rings. The lack of which of the following substance in our body cause diabetes? The correct answer kadai B, insulin. Next question, the energy of wind is only kinetic energy. Vinegar is the common name of acetic acid. Next question, which of the following organs is responsible for water balance in human body? The correct answer kadai B, kidney. Next question, pulses is a good source of correct answer kadai C, proteins. Next question, decibel is the unit used for correct answer kadai D, intensity of sound. Electric bulb filament is made of copper, aluminum, tungsten, lead. The correct answer kadai tungsten. Which of the following is a non-metal that remains liquid at room temperature? Correct answer kadai bromine. Chemical formula for water is correct answer kadai B, H2O. Next question, for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is Newton's law of motion. The correct answer kadai third law of motion. Next, the bending of light through a glass prism is called correct answer kadai A, refraction. The primary consumers in the ecosystem are correct answer kadai B, herbivores. Next, bauxite is the ore of correct answer kadai A, aluminium. Limestone is the primary raw material used in which of the following industries? Correct answer kadai A, cement. Which is the best conductor of electricity? Correct answer kadai fine silver. How many bones does an adult human body have? Correct answer kadai B, 206. Teparlog kini kadai question kibalawan haka science jong ka DSC LDA kam TYPIST. Ngangat pi ayu cimentoy nak kini video jonga bala da pesngot na di video jonga sambal like share ba subscribe kenang bagi ki parlog ru kini cimentoy barang adang solve ki section ki badang sa takini kicing pemnam tas ni flashbone.